Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Bow Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on the brand new 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. This beautiful Denali is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine and mated up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the GMC Denali Acadia here, we have the power windows, power folding mirrors, power locks and memory seating, electronic parking brake and heads-up display controls here, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control, forward collision warning, GMC Denali, as well as audio controls. Push-button ignition, a large 8-inch touchscreen up front for navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Dual-zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seating controls right here. Lane keep assist, 4-wheel drive with 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive sport, off-road, and trailer mode. Vehicle is equipped with auto stop start, parking sensors there as well, traction control. Vehicle has wireless charging and USB ports. The shifter knob has now been changed to the button system here as well. Nice and easy to use. We have all black interior in the Denali, Bose audio speakers, black leather heated and ventilated seating with the light gray piping and stitching, and of course Denali in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Denali here, 20-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful alloy wheels with the Michelin all-season tires on there. We have the blacked out door handles with chrome accents and keyless entry all around. Blind spot detection and remote start both equipped. The vehicle does have LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lamps. A massive GMC grille for the new vehicles here. Chrome with the camera system and parking sensors up front. Making our way to the rear. Rear tinted privacy windows. We have LED tail lamps, dual chrome exhaust tips, parking sensors, power tailgate, and backup camera wrapping up the rear of the Acadia Denali. Jumping back into the interior of the Acadia here, our second row captain's chairs, both leather heated as well as car seat ready. Both these end seats here do fold up and out of the way, sliding up, giving you access to your third row, a 50-50 leather split as well. Both those seats fold completely flat, giving you a huge amount of room in the trunk. Over top, we have dual pane sunroofs. Larger one in the rear, smaller one up front for the driver and passenger. LED lighting and AC vents over top. You got your rear climate control and 3-stage heated seat controls for the two captain's chairs. We have our outlet as well as USB charging ports and rubberized floor liners installed on the Acadia Denali. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. If this is your next luxury 6-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.